since I had my nose fully. Yeah.
House full of kilos, soul pounds of zeros. Cocaine my hero, you ain't fake side getting Debo. Always asking what to learn like. Young home still freeload. Don't fly around my signal. I'll rearrange your Kindle. Don't fly around my signal. Don't fly around my signal. Don't fly around my.
Alright guys, welcome back. So today, got my shirt on backwards. Today, what we are doing, I recently purchased a fake me out GoPro, whatever, and it is called the Action Camera Ultra HD 4K Touchscreen Waterproof.
What?
Actman. Okay. So I bought this. Number one, I don't really need one of these at all. I was browsing on Twitter and I saw Fat Kid Deals, shameless plug, have a code for it, and basically I was like, hey, why not try it? We'll see how it goes. It says 16 megapixels wide angle lens, Wi-Fi, and 2-inch screen. It was supposed to come with a whole bunch of different accessories as well. I don't know if it's actually in there, so I'm gonna unbox this. We're gonna take a look at it, see what it's like. A normal GoPro right now, if I'm not mistaken, I think, what are we on, the 6? Probably the 6 right now. We're on the 6, and it is, if I'm not mistaken, about $399, give or take. I might be off. Let's just say the 5 is $192.99. I still might be mistaken, but who cares? You get the point. I'm just trying to. Alright, so like we stated before, guys, this is our box.
Oh my god! Wow!
Ain't nothing too extravagant about it. We're just gonna cut right into it. I don't know if you guys really, there's not much around the box. It says Actman, a little Chinese label right there. Who cares? Let's just make our lives easy. What the hell do I got? What the fuck? Alright. This thing, no kidding, I bought this for $29, so if it's some crap, who cares? I'll give it to my little brother. Just get something real quick. Let's slice this tab open. Boom. Okay, so to start off, this is what the packaging looks like on the inside. Blase, yeah. A whole manual filled with junk, more junk. Done the manual. I'm a guy who reads that shit anyway. Okay, so this is what one of my initial problems were, though, thinking about this. Number one, this isn't a GoPro, so again, I only bought it for $29, but I'm guessing this is the battery right here. 3.7 Leon battery, but I don't think you're going to be able to buy this anywhere else, so if you lose it, you're screwed. You get the gist. Alright guys, so again, we got the actual camera itself. It's encased, and I guess they're waterproof, whatever it's called, blase, this, that, and the third. Terrible product review, but again, I'm not getting paid for this. I'm just doing this for my own shit. Feels very plasticky, feels like cheap garbage. Feels like it's gonna break. Feels like I shouldn't have bought it. That's the review. Great. Cool. Alright guys, so back again. So where were we at? Basically talking about this device itself at this point. If we get this to focus. Camera doesn't like focusing on pieces of shit. Yeah, so the device itself, I mean, once you look at it, again, let's reiterate, I paid $30. Okay, let's just keep that in mind. I think it's supposed to be normally $59 if I'm not mistaken. Or was it $100? It was one of those two. But my initial thing is, I just wanted to record certain footage with my car. And, yeah. So, as time goes on, you'll probably see some footage with this. Obviously, I can't do anything with it right now, but this was just like a little unboxing type of thing. Can I turn it on? Obviously not, stupid. The 2 batteries are out.
Oh, what are you talking about, man? Oh, I'm out, man.
Alright, so putting in the battery, I guess should be self-explanatory. Oh, yeah, this is a hot piece of garbage. Is there a pull tab to have this start working? No, okay. It's not a pull tab, it's just put it in there from that side. So boom, put it in. Of course it's gonna wobble in there, because again, China. You get what you pay for, so I can't be upset. Close, okay. Hit the power button. Oh, hold on, we might have something here. Ackman version 3. Do. And it says 4K Ultra HD. Okay. Right. Press the shutter to start shooting. And it says for better quality, use the good shit. Scan the QR code to download the camera app. I want to record in 4K. Only 4K. I really want to see what this 4K recording is like. Record the sound, record all that. Yep, blase. We're good to go. And let's just hit the shoot. Okay, obviously, Muhammad. That joint definitely says no detachable the fuck card. Please insert the fucking card. That's what it meant to say. So, give me a second. Let me go do that. Alright guys, so this should be 4K resolution recording at 30 frames per second. Alright guys, so you probably seen the footage now for the Ackman V3. My overall review. So, the build quality is shit. The accessories that came with it is whole bunch of mounts. I don't know what I'm using for. The outer boxing, take a focus. If you look at it, the outer boxing is shit. Which leads us to the actual video quality, which I guess you just saw it was shit. So overall, this product is $29, and it is shit. Again, thanks along for coming along with me as I ruin my car to achieve my dreams. I wanna die too young. Yeah, too young. Yeah, too young. I don't wanna die